Voice News. I am Palak with you. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank's health has disappointed. He has been admitted to the AIIMS hospital in Delhi. New Delhi, the health of Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has deteriorated. According to the information, he has been administered due to problems caused by the COVID. It is informed that Educational Minister Nishank had informed by tweeting on April 21st that he has been infected with COVID. Along with this, he had said that the people who came in contact with me should get the test done. He had also said that the function of ministry would continue as normal. CBSE Board Class 12 exam. In the view of the uncertain conditions due to COVID and the feedback obtained from the various stakeholders, it was decided that the Class 12 board exam would not be held this year. It was not decided that CBSE will take steps to comply with the result of Class 12 students as per the well-defined objectives, criteria in a time-bound manner. Following the cancellations of the CBSE board examinations on Tuesday, the Council of the Indian School Certificate Examinations has scrapped its ISC examinations for this year. Gary Arathun, Chief Executive CISCE, told the Indian Express that Class 12 students will now be evaluated through an alternative scheme. The details of that will be worked out soon and will be available to you, he said. The CBSE has released an official notification stating that the postponed Class 12 exam now stands cancelled. Any student who is not satisfied with their marks, the assessment has an option to appear in the exam as and when the situation becomes conducive, reads the official statement by the CBSE. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conducted a meeting with Union Ministers, Cabinet Secretary and the other stakeholders of the Class 12 board exams and review all the possible options on the exam. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar and Union Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitharaman are also part of the meeting among others. The Prime Minister said that the decision on Class 12 CBSE exams has been taken in the interest of students. He stated that COVID-19 has affected the academic calendar and the issue of board exams has been causing immense anxiety among students, parents and teachers, which must be put to an end. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.